Your Excellency, I have the honor to present my letter of credence, which His Excellency Tolam, President of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam, has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the non-resident ambassador extraordinary and plenipotentiary of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much, sir. May you please sit.
Thank you, Your Excellency.